Hey everybody, it's Rexanne Collins with Market Realty, and I'm here today with a special guest to talk about credit scores and down payments, the unknown mortgage guy. So tell us, unknown mortgage guy, does a consumer need a 640 credit score in order to get a mortgage?
Absolutely not. You know, that's one of the biggest misconceptions is having to have a 640 credit score.
So wait, you're telling me that a buyer with a 580 credit score can get a mortgage?
That's exactly right.
Okay, wait. So that means they would have to make a very big down payment, right?
No, not at all.
We need to know more. Come on, just a little hint. Later, right? Okay, so if you want more information on how you can get a mortgage without having a 640 credit score, text My Credit to 555-888, and I'm going to send you your home loan toolkit as well as some other information. So, thank you to the unknown mortgage guy for joining us today. Don't forget, text My Credit to 555-888.